Lost traveler, Sam, stumbles into the mysterious jungle. Trees whisper softly, speaking ancient secrets. Animals gaze knowingly, understanding Sam's silent thoughts. A glowing flower, rumored to grant wishes, shines bright. Sam seeks shelter beneath the towering canopy. Curious monkeys lead him to a hidden creek. A wise owl hoots a riddle about courage. Sam ponders the jungle's strange, lively enchantment. Snake slithers silently, guides him to the flower. Sam whispers his innermost desire to the bloom. The jungle hushes, listening to Sam's heartfelt wishes. Petals shimmer, granting a single, precious wish. New path opens, leading Sam back home safely. Sam carries jungle's magic within his grateful heart. His adventure changes him forever, a silent traveler. The jungle remains a secret keeper, ancient and mysterious.